Sa bidyong ito, ang pag-uusapan natin ay over-the-counter or OTC medicine. What is over-the-counter or OTC medicine? These are medicines you can buy without a doctor's prescription. Kahit wala kang reseta or prescription mula sa doktor, pwede po kayong makabili. Usually for common minor health problems like headache, fever, colds, stomach upset, mild pain, and allergies. Ito po yung usually na binibili natin sa mga drugstore na may generic name na Carbocisteine, paracetamol, ibuprofen, mga antacid, and cetirizine. Considered safe for self-use if taken as directed on the label. For example po, Carbocisteine na may brand name na Solmiox, makikita natin dito sa may right side, nandito po yung formulation kung ilang milligram po ba ang meron dito sa Carbocisteine na to. Meron po itong 500 milligram. Then makita rin natin dito yung dosage and administration po kung ilang taon, 12 years old pataas, 1 capsule every 8 hours, bali 3 times a day po ang pag-inom nitong Solmiox na to. Makikita rin natin dito yung indication po kung para saan nga ba itong Carbocisteine na may brand name na Solmiox. Ibig sabihin, para sa cough with phlegm. Next po, dito po tayo sa may left side. Makikita natin dito yung warning and precaution. Ang pag-take po pala nito ay after meal. Kailangan may laman yung tiyan bago tayo iinom ng Solmiox. Kasi may tendency na magkaroon tayo ng stomach pain pag ininom natin ito ng walang laman yung tiyan. Next po, kailangan rin natin tignan kung iinom po ba kayo ng isa pang gamot na may content rin na Carbocisteine. Bawal po iyon. Baka ma-overdose po kayo. Then, check rin natin lagi yung expiration date ng gamot tuwing iinom tayo or bibili sa mga drugstore para maiwasan natin yung pag-take ng expired na gamot. Mostly, pag bibili na tayo ng gamot sa drugstore, wala na itong label. Huwag na lang tayong mahihiyang magtanong sa pharmacist kung para saan nga ba itong gamot na binibili natin. Either sa ubo ba ito, sa lagnat or sa sipon, kung ilang oras yung interval ng pag-inom, kung ilang times ba ito iniinom. Huwag na lang natin itong kalimutan iasa kanila. Example of branded OTC, meron tayo ditong Biogesic. Meron po itong generic name na paracetamol. Itong nakapaloob ko dito sa may rectangular na box, ito po yung generic name. Next naman po yung brand name. Dito naman po sa baba ng paracetamol, makikita natin dito yung Biogesic. Example of branded OTC, Biogesic, used for headache and pain, age 12 years old and above, dosage 1 caplet every 6 hours ang interval, 4 times a day, take with food or without food. Tempra Forte, used for headache and pain, age 12 years old and above, dosage 1 tablet every 6 hours interval, 4 times a day, take with food or without food. Rexedol Forte, used for headache, migraine, and reduces drowsiness, age po is 12 years old and above, dosage 1 caplet every 6 hours ang interval, 4 times a day, take with food or without food. Tempra Boost C, meron po itong paracetamol plus ascorbic acid for headache and syempre to boost immune system. Age 12 years old and above, dosage po is 1 sachet in a cup of warm water every 6 hours pong interval with food or without food. Lemon flavor po pala ito. Tempra Bliss, used for headache and mild pain. Age po is 12 years old and above. 1 effervescent tablet in a glass of warm water every 6 hours pong interval. Bali, i-dissolve nyo lang po ito sa water. Then, take with food or without food. Saridon, used for headache, migraine, and pain. Age po is 12 years old and above. Dosage, 1 tablet every 8 hours ang interval, 3 times a day. with or without food, pero mas maganda may laman yung tiyan para iwas tayo sa stomach pain. BioFlu, used for headache, fever, body pain, cold and flu. Age po is 12 years old and above. Dosage, 1 tablet every 6 hours ang interval. Take with food para iwas tayo sa stomach irritation. Ang side effect po pala nito ay nakakaantok. Decolgen Forte, same lang po pala ito ni BioFlu kaya wag pagsabayin. Pag nakainom ka na ng BioFlu, wag ka nang iinom nitong Decolgen kasi same content lang po sila, same generic name. Ang use po pala nito ay for headache, fever, body pain, cold and flu sa sipon. Age po is 12 years old and above. Dosage, 1 tablet every 6 hours po ang interval nito with food. Bali, ang side effect po pala nito ay nakakaantok. Pero meron naman Decolgen na non-drowse. Yun po yung hindi nakakaantok. Bagay na bagay sa mga nagda-drive tuwing gabi tapos biglang nagkasakit or masakit yung ulo nila or may sipon sila. Mas maganda is yung mga non-drowse na OTC ang bilhin nyo. Neosep with Zinc Plus Forte. Same lang po ito ni BioFlu Decolgen para sa headache, nasal congestion, cold and flu sa sipon po. Age 12 years old and above. Dosage po is 1 tablet every 6 hours po ang interval with food. Bali side effect po nito is nakakaantok. Next po, Newzep with Zinc. Ito naman po yung non-drowsy, yung hindi nakakaantok po. Bali ang pinagkaiba lang nito is yung kanina nakakaantok, ito naman po is yung hindi nakakaantok. Same content lang po sila nito. Bali for headache rin, nasal congestion, cold and flu, 12 years old and above. 1 tablet every 6 hours po ang interval. Semdex T, ito po yung nasa taas yung kulay dilaw. And Semdex D Forte yung nasa baba yung kulay pink. Balang pinagkaibahan lang po nito is yung paracetamol na milligram. Yung kulay dilaw po na nasa taas ay may 325 milligram and si Semdex D Forte yung nasa baba meron pong 500 milligram. For headache, nasal decongestion, and cold and flu na rin. For 12 years old and above, 1 tablet po every 6 hours ang interval with food or without food. Sinotab Gold for headache and nasal decongestion sa sipon po. Ang pag-take po nito is with or without food. Dosage, 1 tablet every 6 hours po ang interval. Next po si Sinotab Gold Plus. Balang nadagdag lang po dito is yung chlorpheniramine maleate, pang sipon rin po. Headache, body pain, basta't may makita kayong paracetamol for headache na kaagad yun and pain. Bonamine na may 25 mg for adult, used for motion sickness and dizziness. Pag nagtra-trouble tayo, 12 years old and above, 1 chewable tablet once a day. Pag magtitake tayo nito, dapat 1 hour pa lang nakapag-take na tayo nito or nakapag-chew with food or without food. Before travel time, dapat nakapag-take na kayo nito. Next po, ito pong Bonamine na 12.5 mg. Used for motion sickness and dizziness, children and elderly, sa 7 to 12 years old and sa mga senior po natin na mas mababang content ng meclizine. 1 chewable tablet once a day. Dapat before 1 hour, nakapag-take na po kayo nito before travel time. Take with food or without food. Pag wala kayong mahanap na 12.5 mg, pwede naman pong hatiin yung 25 mg. Other brand rin po ng meclizine, ito po yung DZ-Tab na may 25 mg. Ganon rin po yan sa Bonamine. Same lang rin po ng Bonamine na 25 mg. Pag wala kayong makitang 12.5 na pambata, pwede nyo rin pong hatiin po ito. Alaxan FR, used for headache, lahat ng uri ng pain like muscle pain, body pain, joint pain, and sa ngipin rin pag sumasakit. Age 12 years old and above. Dosage pa is 1 capsule every 6 hours as needed lang po with food. Fast Relax. Same lang po ito ng Alaxan FR. Same content lang po sila ng ibuprofen and paracetamol. for all kind of pain like joint pain, muscle pain, body pain, and toothache. And for headache na rin po ito kasi may paracetamol content. Advil na may 200 milligram na ibuprofen soft gel capsule for headache, arthritis, all types of pain. Age po is 12 years old and above. Dosage po is 1 soft gel every 6 hours as needed. Take with food. Medical Advance na may 200 milligram soft gel capsule. Same lang po ito ni Advil. Same generic name na ibuprofen for headache, arthritis, and all types of pain. Same lang din yun po yung age, 12 years old and above. Dosage, 6 hours po as needed. With food ang pag-take nito. Next po, ito po yung Medical Advance na 400 milligram soft gel capsule. Mas mataas po yung ibuprofen content nito kaysa sa nauna na Advil and Medical Advance na 200. Same use lang rin po an age. Yung dosage po is same lang rin po. Every 6 hours po as needed with food po ang pag-take nito. Next po is yung loperamide na may brand name na Diatabs 2 mg capsule used for diarrhea or LBM, low bowel movements. Age po is 12 years old and above. Ang dosage po nito is first take 2 capsule, then 1 capsule after each loose stool na. Pag dumumi ulit, 1 capsule na lang po ang pag-take nito. Next po, ito po yung Diatabs Advance na may generic name na loperamide and semeticon used for diarrhea, LBM, and bloating, yung may hangin sa tiyan or kabag para maalis po yun. Ang age po nito ay 18 years old and above. Ulitin ko po, 18 years old and above. Dosage po, first take 2 soft gel capsule, then 1 soft gel capsule na lang po after each loose stool. Take with food or without food. Imodium, other brand po ng loperamide, used for diarrhea, LBM, 12 years old and above. Dosage po is first take 2 capsule, then 1 capsule after each loose stool naman. Then take with food or without food. Another brand tayo ng loperamide, ito po yung Lomotil, used for diarrhea, LBM, 12 years old and above. Dosage po nito is ganun pa rin. First take 2 tablet, then 1 tablet after each loose stool. Itong si Lomotil pala ay tablet po. Unlike sa Diatabs and Imodium, capsule po sila. Sa mga ayaw ng capsule at gusto yung tablet, ito po si Lomotil ang para sa inyo. With food or without food ang pag-take po nito. Bisacodil na may brand name na Dulcolax, used for constipation, yung hirap pong makadumi. Age po is 12 years old and above. Dosage, 1 to 2 tablet daily. Short term lang po ang pag-inom nito. Take po ito ng empty stomach. Pag 7 to 11 years old, pwede naman sila mag-take nito 1 tablet basta't may prescribe ng doktor. Meron din po palang suppository itong Dulcolax, yung for children and for adults. Insert nyo lang po ito sa may anus, then makakadumi na sila after seconds lang or minutes. Hyoscine and butyl bromide. Ang shortcut po nito is HNBB na may brand name na Buscopan, used for abdominal pain, stomach cramps, and dysmenorrhea. Yung pag may period yung isang babae. Age po is 12 years old and above. Dosage, 1 to 2 tablet every 6 hours po. Can be taken with food or without food. Hyoscine na may shortcut na HNBB. Ito po ay may content na paracetamol. Ito po yung nadagdag sa kanila. Sa may left side na may Buscopan, Venus. Ito po yung pangbabae. Tapos sa may right side, Buscopan Plus. Ito naman po yung panglalaki. Pero same content lang po ito na hyoscine and butyl bromide na may paracetamol. Pag naubusan ng Buscopan Venus, pwede naman po itong i-take ng babae, yung Buscopan Plus. Then pag naubusan po ng Buscopan Plus, pwede rin po i-take ng lalaki yung Buscopan Venus. Dahil same content lang po ito, same generic name. And same milligram. Cetirizine na may brand name na Alnex, 10 milligram, used for allergic rhinitis and skin allergies. Kahit na anong allergies ito, for example, kumain ka ng seafoods, then nagkaroon ka ng skin allergies, pwede nyo pong i-take itong si Cetirizine. Age po is 12 years old and above. Dosage, 1 tablet once a day lamang po. Take with food or without food. Lagundi leaf na may brand name na Plemex Forte, 600 milligram. Ito po ay anti-cough and anti-asthma. Cough with phlegm. Age po is 12 years old and above. Dosage, 1 tablet every 8 hours po, bali 3 times a day. Can be taken with food or without food. Itong lagundi na content nito ay isa pong herbal medicine. Other brand po ulit ng lagundi, ito po yung Ascoforte na 600 milligram capsule. Ganun rin po ang pag-take nito and age po, pati yung uses po nito. Ito naman po yung Ascoforte na tablet. Kanina yung dalawa is capsule. Ang uses po nito is cough with phlegm, herbal medicine po, 12 years old and above. Dosage po is 1 tablet every 8 hours po, 3 times a day. Take with food or without food. Ito naman yung guaifenesin na may brand name na Robitussin, expectorant, used for cough and heavy phlegm rin po ito. Age po is 12 years old and above. Dosage is 1 soft gel capsule every 8 hours po or 3 times a day. Can be taken with food or without food. Lubiscol po na may generic name na Carbosystem. Same lang po ito sa may Solmiox. Cough with phlegm. Ang pag-take po pala nito ay 8 hours po ang interval or 3 times a day. May laman yung tiyan pag-iinom po kayo nito. Pag napanood mo itong video na to, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for part 2 dahil marami pa tayong branded OTC na tatalakayin. Thank you for watching.